Hey guys, Sunny here from Good Pocket Change, and today I want to show you guys how to confirm and verify your website on Pinterest using Yoast SEO plugin. So what you want to do is head over here and click onto Settings, scroll down to where it says Claim Website, and you want to make sure that your website address is in this box here, and then click Claim Website and select Add HTML Tag. And you want to copy this right here and then head on over to your dashboard. And if you don't have the Yoast plugin, you can install it here. Click Add New, search and just type in Yoast, and it's this one right here. So once you have that installed, then you want to scroll down here to SEO and click on to social and select Pinterest and then copy your code in here, save. Alright, and then you want to head on back to Pinterest, select next, and it says all set. We'll check your site for the meta tag and email you in the next 24 hours. And you just hit submit. And there you have it. Your website, once they get back to you, your website will be confirmed. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.